The Axio Global Customer Aging Report is a game changer and enables running the customer aging report across all legal entities. The Axio Global Customer Aging Report is available under the Axio menu, as well as under the Credit and Collections menu. A new legal entity field is added to the standard report form. Use this field to view a list of legal entities that may be included on the report. Select the entities to include in the report. You can choose multiple entities and then click the Select button to confirm your selections. The Include Amounts in Transaction Currency field adds the currency to the Global Customer Aging Report. This new feature will provide a more comprehensive view of outstanding receivables, making it easier to manage and analyze financial data across different parts of the business. It's a big step forward in streamlining financial operations and improving efficiency. The Axio Global Customer Aging Report is also available in the Credit and Collections module. Thank you for watching this video on the Axio Global Customer Aging Report. Have questions or want to schedule a demo? Reach out to us using the information provided here.